So today I'm holding this beautiful home open in lovely Gilroy, California. This home is located in Eagle Ridge, which is a lovely country club with golf courses and beautiful amenities. But these houses feature high ceilings and luxury flooring, custom fixtures everywhere, like the tile here. So let me just take you on a quick walkthrough. On the main floor here, we have a full bathroom and the ground floor bedroom. These particular residents use it as an office, family room, the gas fireplace. It opens in this lovely arch to this kitchen. Lovely gas stovetop, extra large appliances, a dining area. This home is located on an 11,000 square foot lot, and so there's plenty of room for that pool. Cute little wildlife out here. Outdoor kitchen. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful backyard. Rather private too. So not only is there a little desk space here in the kitchen, but we also have a little butler pantry here with more counter space, entrance to one of the garages, and a roomy pantry here. Very recently, the carpet was removed from this house, including the stairway here, and lovely hardwood planks were put in place. This home is flooded with natural light, an abundance of storage places, cabinets. Have an extra linen closet here. Outside the upstairs laundry room. Who doesn't love that? Full bathroom here with bedroom number 2 and number 3. Of course, the crowning jewel, the upstairs primary suite. The beautiful view of that backyard. I'm sure this part of the video is excellent, but you're walking through it with me on a video instead of walking through it yourself at this open house. How about this for a primary bathroom? A lovely soaking tub in the middle. Is in her closet. And nice roomy shower here. Double sinks, lots of mirrors, custom toilets. If you have questions about this home, please don't hesitate to give me a call. The price improved last night, and now it could be yours for $1,590,000. Give me a call. I'm Dorothy Coulter, 408-712-3314.